Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Cyber Digital Tree. This is my first video on YouTube. Please appreciate. In this video, I am going to talk about a new release tool TechBull. TechBull have two sides, client side and the server side. TechBull client is not only designed for targeting an Android device, it is also designed for targeting other OS like Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Disclaimer: this YouTube channel and the TechBull developer team is not responsible for any unethical and illegal activity. Only the user is responsible for unethical and illegal activity. Open your Linux machine terminal. Then enter this command into your terminal like sudo git clone and enter this link. I will put this link into the description. Then change directly to that directory where you download the TechBull for Android tool. Suppose that you download this tool into your download directory. Then you need to change your directory into TechBull for Android directory. Then enter ls. It will show all the available files in the directory which is known as TechBull for Android. There you will see three files like readme, TechBull for server, TechBull for Android.apk file. Then you need to start your server. For that you need to change the TechBull server mode for in executable like sudo change mode plus executable TechBull for server, and then you need to run your server slash techbull for server. After that, you need to transfer your APK file into your Android device. After starting the techbull server, you will see a new created directory which is known as client directory, which will automatically store the data of each client according to its IP address and port number. After starting your server, you need to transfer TechBull for Android.apk file into targeted Android device. The app will start automatically after 15 minutes if the app is closed. The app will start automatically if the device is shut down and restart without using any instruction. Mean to say that a user don't need to open the file. It will automatically start in background. We will discuss client-side other functionality during the practical. Let's start on server side. When after entering this command, our server will start working. Then here we see a move step by step. First of all, we see create a new directory. It means it is creating a directory with name client record. It will save all the client which is connected with our server. It will store all the information like IP, port number, and what data they are downloading and uploading on client side. So then here is the press 0 for terminating server. It will terminate the server. No connection will be accepted after pressing this. Then press 1 for checking available command. There are two command box. Like the first command box is this one, which is used to control the server. The second command box is that to controlling a specific server that we will discuss when we will start sending command to a specific user. Then press 2 for checking all the available clients, like for example, with all the clients which are connected with our server at this port. And then we will, if we want to send a command to a specific user, then we will press 3. And then if we want to see all the users who are connecting at this time, live, and all those users who will disconnected from the server, we will see all their history. So that's the functionality for those, like sometimes we want to download some data from the client side, and we want to put that data into our desired directory. And if we want to move in our desired directory and want to move upload that data on the server side, then that's why I put all those functionality here. First of all, you need to move TechBull for Android APK file into Android device, or you can also download TechBull for Android APK file from directly. Keep trying until success GitHub account. You can also use link that is given in the description for directly download APK file. So here for my client side, I already download and install. So here for my client side, I already download and install APK into my Android emulator. You can see the APK Android TechBull for Android icon. This is the icon of the TechBull for Android. I can also make it little bit zoom. This is the icon. So I am going to open this app by double clicking. This is the interface of the app when you click on it. First of all, you need to enter the IP address of your Linux or server machine. For that, open your Linux machine terminal and type this command. So I am going to open one more terminal here. Type ifconfig. This is the IP address of my server, Linux server. I am copying it. Copy selection. And I need to enter the IP address here, 192.168.100. Now let's connect our client side with our server side. For that, we need to enter the IP address here. To check our IP address of the Linux machine, we need to open a new terminal and uh, enter this command, ifconfig. This is the IP address of our Linux machine. You also need to check your own Linux machine IP address. So I enter the IP address over here, 192.168.100.94. So here what we need to make our focus, that we need to focus on our notification. We can say a toast message here. If the toast message saying you need to re-enter the password, for that you need to close the app and then reopen it. Then you will close the app, reopen it, and re-enter the password. Let's see what this toast message say in my case. So in my there is saying IP address is updated. So let's check is my client is connected with my server side. For checking to check the that is there any client that is connect with our server. So I entered it to. So you can see that this is the local IP address of my Android device emulator, and here the server is giving the ISO information and the other information related to the Android device, like Android build, and my brand is Google because it is the emulator, and it is giving different type of information. So I need to send a different command to this specific user. So suppose that there are two or three users, so instead of entering IP address, it is easy for a new or any user to enter press one. So here if I want to send this command of this specific user, then I need to select this specific user. To select this specific user, I and press the 3, and it is saying enter client number. Client number is here 1. So this is the command box number 2, which is for only just one user to send space command to one specific user. So here what I am going first of all, I will press the and 2 for operating system information, and this information we already checked while the that this is the information that automatically the server will detect from the Android device. No, let's check the current working directory. Here's two storage of Android. Here's one thing. If there are four different OS that we can connect with this server, like Linux, Windows, and Mac OS and Android device. So here we are mainly only focused on Android. There are two storage, like one for SD card and internal storage, and other for external storage. So if you want to perform some other functionalities, here are different commands, like you can hide or unhide the app icon. Let's start with the hide and unhide app icon. So as we can see that uh, here here is our app icon. So let's hide this icon. So for that hiding app launching icon, just enter 14, and let's see. The app icon is hide it. So if you want it take sometime it take a few seconds, or like 20 to 25 seconds. Let's unhide this app icon. So for that I use this command. He's saying unhiding app icon on client side, app icon unhide successful. Let's check it. I think it will because I am running as emulator as Android device. That's why it is taking few time. Let's check other functionality, like list of directory. We already check it. Root directory. Let's traverse the directory like from root directory. Let's press 7. Preferred path. Just copy it. It will show us each and every file and directory that have that Android device have. Like it just show me each and every directory, download file, JPG, each and everything it show. Maybe it is a file or it is a directory. So here's one more important thing is that whenever the it is asking about the storage path, you only have to enter this path, skip the remaining path. On the other hand, if you want to enter the internal storage path, then you only have to enter this path until 0, which means it root directory. Here I will explain you what I mean to say that. Like just copy it. I am not going to perform each and every functionality. You have to do something your own self, like downloading file and video calling. It is super easy to open use these two functionality. Let's open it and this last functionality and finishing this tutorial of a video. 4. It is asking about directory path. Always enter this path until 0. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.